So this is the utility panel that I built for my solar energy system. I have a solar panel outside that powers everything here, including this lamp here. Okay, so you see that. So solar energy comes in through this cable here, this wire. It's to here. Which I have a terminal here, and to measure that, I have this analog meter here that just senses, tells me how much current in amps the panel provides. And that energy goes directly to the charge controller here. This is the LCD 30, which actually made by, here it says it's a Net Meter Solar as the company, but it's got many names. It's one of those made in China things. That was sent directly from China, and it's a charge controller. And it tells me, like right now, it tells me there's a moon there because it's dark outside. Okay, and also I got connected is this meter here, which tells me how much solar energy is charging. This is connected from the charge controller to the batteries. I have a 80 amp hour 12 volt battery here, and 12 amp hour 12 volt battery, and a 12 volt 12 amp hour 5 amp hour 12 volt. And what it was actually charged, the energy that actually goes to the battery, is shown here in this meter. This is one of those meters you get. I got this on eBay. Shows how many, like right now it's dark, so there's 0 amps. Whereas the other one is actually being used, so you see like 0.58 amps. So it's 0 amps because there's nothing coming in. It's 12 volts, 12.74 volts is fully charged. Okay, this is one of those meters. There's only like two of them. There's two variations. It's probably the older one. And so I got a switch here that a circuit breaker just switches off if there's a problem. Here there's also a fuse. So I think that's the positive, and this is the negative. It goes directly to the battery. I got battery 1, battery 2, battery 3 here, and the fourth one here. Down here, this big one here. This one is like 100 pounds. And so there's also another kill switch here. This one goes directly to the solar panel. It's one of those knife switches. And here, for the load, I have another sensor for the load here. It tells me how much energy was used, how many watt hours, how many amp hours. Tells me how many watts are currently being used, what's the actual voltage. It's one of those, it's called the watts up meter. And it's actually for RC cars. For little racing cars. Okay, so I put one of those little jacks there, little connectors here, to the switch that just resets it. And I actually just took this connector came from a CD-ROM drive. It actually has 4 pins, but I butchered one so that it fits, because there's a little hole there that won't fit 4 pins. It only fit 3 pins, so I had to butcher one of those pins out of there. Okay, and load goes here. There's 4 connectors here. That's positive, and the other 4 negative. Okay, and there's a kill switch here. That just powers it off. Powers just the load, or just switches the load off. And so what I also did was have that signal goes down here. So you see the switch. This is actually a dip switch, a dual line package switch on the circuit board. It's a tiny little switch. There's actually 8 little switches here, and it goes to 8 terminals here, positive, negative. So each one's individually switched, positive and negative here. And I got various things that it powers, like a USB charger, which I've been charging my phone every day with that. A USB charger, built another voltage regulator here that just ranges from 0 to 12 volts. And what I'm about to do is I got one of these step up DC to DC converters here. Okay, so this one steps up from a low voltage, like for example here I'm using 12 volts, and it'll step it up to 20 volts or 24 volts, or anywhere. It ranges from I mean, I could put 3 volts here and step it up to 24 volts. Okay, I got to power a laptop or whatever. You got 12 volts coming out of here. I can power car accessories. I got night lights here. Got a little I got this light here. I got little lamps. Like at night, I have a little LED that powers that lights up the bedroom a little bit, living room a little bit, and the kitchen a little bit, and hallway. And use that, and as you can see, it's using very little. So if I shut off this light, this light actually uses a little more. But I'm actually charging a phone, so it's half an amp because I'm charging a phone. If I switch off the phone, it should be actually I can switch off right now. Let's switch off. I actually forget which one it is. She has so many of them. I don't remember which one it is. I actually forgot which one it is. Oh yeah, that's it. So you can see it uses practically nothing to the light. I got a little light that uses like 6 milliamps. So what I did was I took an LED and I throttled down the current to 6 milliamps, and it actually lights up pretty well. 12 volts, 6 milliamps, and it lights up a room like a little night light. Actually lights up pretty good. So I got a few of those, and you can see it uses very little power here. So also got one of those ultraviolet lamps, which is here. You see it's up there, the little ultraviolet lamp. Those black lights. Turn the switch off now. That's completely forgotten what. So.